Hello, greetings from Boonri. In today's GK topic, we will learn why are most planes painted white? There are reasons for it, and what are they? Watch ahead. Today, there are different airline companies all over the world. There are over 5,000 airline companies. How do we know an aircraft belongs to which airlines? As shown here, most of the airlines are recognized by their branding on the aircraft's tail. In fact, the military aircrafts are always painted differently from the commercial planes. For example, some military aircrafts are painted black for use in night missions to lessen the probability of detection by the opponents. Some are painted in dark green color to camouflage with the ground or forest regions that makes it difficult to visually detect it. So that's another reason. While others are painted with grey to blend into the sky, again making it difficult to trace it visually. Hence we understand the reason for these colors. But why are most commercial planes painted white? Take a look. Since most of the planes are painted white, it doesn't mean that it's a rule for every plane. There are some exceptions to it as well, but one reason is white paint saves money. How? Paint on a plane adds anywhere from 270 to 540 kilos to the aircraft's weight and is equivalent to carrying as many as 8 additional passengers. This extra weight increases the amount of fuel a plane burns. Next, painting a commercial airline can cost anywhere from $50,000 to $2 lakh. The paint also costs money both for the initial paint job and for repaints when the color begins to dull. Also, the color white does not fade as fast as other colors, meaning that the aircraft has to be repainted less frequently. Another advantage is that when an airline sells their planes on to other carriers, they just need to change the livery as the main aircraft body is white. Hence, it is less expensive. What are some more reasons? Take a look. Another reason why planes are painted in white is because the color white seems to be easily seen by a bird, so they change their course if a plane is on its way. While if the plane is painted in darker colors, it would make it blend in with the surroundings and decrease a bird's ability to see it, thus causing bird strikes. The next reason is that by painting an aircraft white, it is much easier for the maintenance crews to spot any damage such as oil spills, cracks and other faults to be identified and fixed promptly. If it would have been any other color, it would have been difficult to find the damaged spot. It also helps in case of an untoward incident such as a crash, as the rescuers can spot a crash site much more easily because of the striking white color, which would have been tedious if the aircraft was painted with any other color. Another point is that painting an aircraft white helps to reflect the sunlight. It's just like why we wear light colored clothes during the summers. So the same way, white color reflects the sun's light. Now that you know why planes are mostly painted white, share this with your family members or friends too.